Today, I want to talk about BodyArmor. Hi, my name is Jaquish. I'm a doctor of biomedical engineering, which gives me a unique perspective on all sorts of things. I get a lot of questions about sports drinks. What do I think of them? Are they worth having? Are they worth spending the money on? I like reviewing things from that perspective because I'm really bothered, even with my products. In fact, I frequently tell people not to buy my products. Like, for example, we have a longer X3 bar. People are like, oh yeah, I'm a big guy, should I get the long X3 bar? No, don't get it. A wider grip means you have less engagement of muscle. That's a longer story. And I'm giving you a very brief summary of it, but it's just an example. I'm just bringing that up as an example of, I'd rather you just have the regular product and not buy necessarily all the accessories unless you really need them. So steering people towards what's going to give them benefit and just telling them, man, like, you don't need that. Hey, there's a reason why I take like 3 supplements. So today I want to talk about BodyArmor. For the longest time, I thought BodyArmor was just a bottled water company. And I don't really drink a lot of bottled water, not for any particular reason other than hydration is really overhyped. And most of the knowledge that we have of hydration comes from the Gatorade marketing department. So like the idea that you need 8 ounces of water a day, 8 glasses of water, all of which are 8 ounces. So 64 ounces of water a day is ludicrous. You do not need that. That is not true. That's just marketing. And a lot of bottled water companies in the early 90s jumped on that Gatorade bandwagon after Gatorade said it and justified selling their product. Then Avion, which is naive spelled backwards by the way, decided that they were going to run with that ball also. And now we have new companies. BodyArmor is owned by Coca-Cola, and I'm pretty sure Gatorade is owned by Coca-Cola as well. I'm not really sure. Also, I don't care. The long and the short of it is, if you need electrolytes and you would prefer, I'm just going to go over the sort of fruity one first. So there's 2 types of BodyArmor. There's the water with the electrolytes, and then there's, you'd call it the sports drink one, which has 1,300 milligrams of electrolytes. Of course, you got to drink the whole bottle for that, which is 190 calories, most of which is sugar. I'm not the biggest sugar fan. I think from a health standpoint, the amount of carbohydrates you should be eating is 0. From an aesthetics standpoint, which means how good you look, like you want your muscles to look good, you want your skin to look good. I could create an argument, though I don't love doing this, but to be real, 20 grams of carbohydrates a day is good. Like you'll look better with 20 grams of carbohydrates a day. I don't necessarily think somebody should do that every day, especially when they're really trying to get lean, because the carbohydrates are just not doing you any favors. And bodybuilders are great with the getting depleted, is what they call it, getting the carbohydrates out of their system, doing a protein sparing modified fast, which means they're only consuming protein to just get their body fat down as low as possible. So this is not going to help you with your nutrition. Drinking a whole bottle of this is 41 grams of carbohydrates. I mean, that's a lot. And I don't think anybody's going to portion one of these into 2.5 servings as the bottle suggests. I mean, there's some antioxidants in here. Of course, why would you need antioxidants if you're not oxidizing? Which anyone who's following a heavy animal protein diet is not oxidizing, so you really don't need to worry about that. But the electrolytes are important. I choose to get my electrolytes through, I'm only on the schedule to take in electrolytes if I feel like I need it. If you need electrolytes, like you'll feel it. You'll feel kind of cramping, your hands will tighten up, maybe your forearms will tighten up while you're working out. Then I like those electrolyte products like LMNT, which they call Element, which I guess that's how they say that. Those are good, especially because the amount of sugar that they have in is less than 1 gram. So, like, way better than this. As far as the electrolyte water, yeah, I mean, it's water with some salts in it, some potassium, magnesium, and they put it together with reverse osmosis, which probably means they take a lot of garbage out of the water, which is probably not even in the water because they filtered it first anyway. But yeah, it's a good process. So I'm gonna say thumbs up on this one, probably thumbs down on this one, just because it's got a lot of sugar. But I hope that helps, and give me questions in the comments section. Thanks.
If this video helped you, I want you to subscribe and follow. I'm gonna put out videos on a regular basis. I think they're gonna help a whole lot of people, especially if you're one of those people that doesn't just instantly grow from lifting regular weights. We've got the answer for you.